Welcome to the tarot tutorial. Today we are going to discuss 10 of swords. This is the 10th number card of the sword suit. Here we can see ending of something. The person is lying down and 10 swords are there as if he is killed. He is very much vulnerable at this time. See, he is not in a position to get up. That is her situation, but I don't feel he's died completely. He may recover. This is what I'm getting the feeling. So you can just treat it either the person is completely dead, so ending, or the person may recover. So always we are having the two sides of the card, positive and the negative. So this is the 10 of swords. The ending 10 is the cycle of the ending and beginning of something. Always something will end, then only something will start. So this is we can see it is a kind of sunrise we see. So night it is getting over and the sun will cover all this negativity. So negativity will go away and very soon it will become a brighter day. Whenever this card comes in a reading, what you will see, some cycle is going to get end or it has already ended up and something new is about to start. If it is a career, so could be some change is required. Either you change or the employer will force you to make some changes. If it is a relationship, it could be your attitude need to be changed. A complete change is required in order to improve your relationship, in order to carry your relationship, or else this relationship is not going to get end. Sometimes in a relationship reading, when this card comes, it shows you may be ditched by someone else. So someone may hurt you. So be careful while going ahead in a relationship, because this relationship is not going to continue at some point of time due to some conflict. Especially here, whenever swords comes, it shows the conflict about the mental conflict only. Could be it will be done by both of them, or could be the one person could be the person kind of the overthinking kind of person. So they may spoil the relationship. So this is what this swords generally represent. They represent our thoughts. So here 10 of swords, it is the ending and beginning of something. So you can take it in that way. Career relationship, when I said you need improvement, you need to change something, change your attitude, change your way of working, add discipline. Otherwise you are going to be killed like this. Some of the area might be you are not paying attention. So one by one you are going to lose your stuff. So this is a card of loss also. But until and unless you are not going to get loss, you are not going to learn a lesson. So this is a lesson also for you. If you are losing something, it doesn't mean it's an end. It's a lesson for you. Improve on your attitude. It always says you need improvement. You need a lot of work. So utilize the opportunity. Work on your thoughts. Otherwise, this is the situation is going to be. Your situation will be like this person. And this is what the 10 of swords trying to convey in our life. So at one time when you'll see this card, though it shows the ending something, but it gives you the hope also. This is end, it doesn't mean it's an end. You can heal yourself, you can improve your situation, and you can enjoy a brighter day. So there is a possibility, but yes, negativity is there, blackness you have to remove from your life. You have to remove these swords one by one. You need to heal your whole body. Then only you will be able to get up and you will be able to enjoy the day. So this is what this card is showing. A hard, tough time you must be going through. Hard relationship it could be, a bad relationship it could be. Lot of mental strain, but you have to come out. So whenever this card comes, a lot of negativity it brings, but it brings the hope also. So as a remedy, whenever this card comes, as a remedy, what you can suggest, please pay attention to the sun. You need sunrise, sun energy in your life. So 10 sum, when you'll make it, it is 10. When you'll just add these two numbers, what number we are getting? One number of sun. So you have to add the energy of sun. This person could be, if it represents a person, the person is having the attitude of staying in always dark. The person must be liking to stay in dark always. The person likes to cry, sit and cry, always talk negativity. This person must be always cribbing on the situation. So such kind of attitude you may get whenever this 10 of swords represent a person. So, or such kind of situation the person must be in. So this is the 10 of swords it represents. So as a remedy we can suggest the person has to wake up early and he has to look at the sun. He need the sun energy. So he has to spend some time in the sun, the early morning. He has to do the sun worship. That is good for him. He need to carry the yellow color more. The sun's morning color you had seen, the yellow color, the orange color, those two colors he needs to add in his life in order to improve, in order to grow. So like this we can create this story. We can just take out the remedies also from the card. I hope you have enjoyed. Drop your comments, let me know, so that I will make more videos and you people can learn tarot in a easy way. So all the very best. Bye bye.